One more very good afternoon of the Kojagori Lokhi Puja. Today we are looking at the fixed deposit and how much safe is this. As far as we know that almost all the fixed deposits by all the commercial banks comes under the credit guarantee scheme by Reserve Bank of India. Means you will have insurance of rupees 5 lakh for each and every fixed deposit composition. Means suppose Mr. X having a fixed deposit of 4.5 lakhs along with his or her wife. Once again, if Mr. X having a fixed deposit of rupees 5 lakh with his her child, there he will get a 5 lakh rupee credit guarantee, deposit guarantee, insurance guarantee from Reserve Bank of India. Means when a person X having a different fixed deposits with different perspective, means with his wife, with his child, when Mr. X as a director of some company, as a chairperson of some company, also getting separately 5 lakh rupee deposit guarantee by Reserve Bank of India. Of course, in case of all the commercial banks, not other than any commercial banks. There was some illusion you can say, that if you have all these type of fixed deposits in the same bank, in the same branch, you may not have that insurance coverage by RBI. But not. If you have in a same bank, in the same branch, in all this composition of deposits, but the maximum limit is 5 lakh. That means if you have a wife and child and having a 5 lakh deposits with each and everybody, you can deposit 15 lakh insured amount from RBI, because first the person itself fixed deposit will be insured, second the person with his wife will be insured up to 5 lakh, and third the person with his or her child will be insured up to 5 lakh. Apart from that, if you have a separate composition in different bank, there also you are having a 5 lakh ceiling limit of deposit. So there is enough provision for the middle class person to have a insured part of fixed deposit. There is nothing to worry about deposits credit guarantee by RBI. That was the main part. We have chosen to discuss this beautiful afternoon in the eve of Lakshmi Pujan. We all wish you very very happy and prosperous day ahead, a big festive of India, Diwali. We will do something very energetic and magnificent show before 14th November Diwali, keeping in mind that Muhurat trading is coming. That is the most auspicious time to get into the trade. The, I will urge everybody who didn't have started yet trading may start with a fresh energy, better to say synergy, because the day itself were really really very auspicious for the trading and all. So friends and my viewers, thank you very much. Hope you have enjoyed and getting new feeds. Goodbye.